Hi, it's Bobby with Office Tracker. Today we're going to go over how to project your Office Tracker schedule to a large display. With Office Tracker, you can set up a large display to project your schedule to. This is useful in buildings or public places where you want to show room schedules or other schedules to a large group of people, like the lobby of a tech company, a hospital, a community center, or a church. All you need to make this happen is a large display screen, a computer, Office Tracker scheduling software, and a view-only license to be used for the display. To purchase a view-only license, contact your Office Tracker rep. There are settings on the web client preferences at the Office Tracker server that make the schedule display more user-friendly. For example, the Hide toolbar option that hides the buttons across the top of the schedule view, and the Auto Update option, which updates automatically to the next day when it's left on screen overnight. It works best to set up a specific user account for the display, such as Meeting Display, and then set up their web client preferences to show the room in the format you want. Let's walk through the steps to set this up. I'm going to set up a demo display that would be outside of 2 conference rooms in an office building. The display would show the upcoming meetings for the day and available times in the conference room. You will need to log into your Office Tracker server admin page to set this up. First, we will want to set up the new user on the names list. Creating a new user name for the large display, such as Meeting Display, allows you to maintain control over how the projected display will look and what events are included, since each user can be set up with specific display preferences and sharing privileges. Click on Names List, Add Name, and type the name of the new user you would like to set up. Using the type Person allows you to have an assigned user log in as Meeting Display to make changes to the projected schedule views at a later time. Next, click the View Only checkbox and set a password up if desired. Click Add Name. Now, click on Web Access, Web Client, and Preferences. From here, you can set up the preferences for each user individually or for everyone at one time. Since we want to set custom settings for the Meeting Display user only, we will select the name Meeting Display from the drop-down list next to Name. Let's look at the default schedule settings. Choose the default view you would like to show. I'm going to select Daily. Next, you will need to select the name or names of the schedules that you would like to appear on the large display, and select the names that you would like to show on the large display. You can adjust how often the view is updated, between 30 seconds and 600 seconds. Next, you'll want to make sure to select the Keep Date Current checkbox, as well as the Hide toolbar from Display. This will give you a clean look and allow you to leave the display on at all times. Office Tracker will automatically update to the next day's schedule if it is left on overnight. In the View Options box, you can also adjust the column size as well as the start time and end time and the time increments. I'm going to set mine to start at 8 a.m. and end at 7 p.m. and display in 20-minute increments. You do want to make sure that you have the options set for the view that you're wanting to work with. You can choose from daily, weekly, monthly, or planner view. You can choose to show the non-timed events or to not show them. The View Options box also allows you to customize the font used for your display, as well as the ability to select which fields from the events that you want to display on the screen for each view. I want to have it display the start time, the end time, the descriptions, and the names. Once you have all of this set the way that you would like, click Save. Let's take a look at the way that the different views would display on the large screen with the toolbars hidden and the settings that we have applied. Now, everyone with a need to know can easily see the large display screen and view what is going on for the day. You could also, of course, change the web client preferences for the display to show the entire week or month, depending on your needs. That about covers it for today. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get notified when we upload a new video tutorial. These tutorials are designed to help you get the most out of your Office Tracker software. Make sure to follow us on Facebook for more handy tips and tricks. Happy scheduling!